Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to activate your Zazzle seller profile and turn your creativity into cash. If you're ready to share your designs and earn money, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Sign up for a Zazzle account. First, if you don't already have a Zazzle account, go to the Zazzle website and click on Sign Up. Fill in your details, including your email address, display name, and password. After that, verify your email address to complete the registration process. Step 2. Join the Zazzle marketplace. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Sell section located at the top of the Zazzle homepage. Click on Join as a Designer to start the process of becoming a seller. You will need to agree to the Terms of Service and the Zazzle Designer Agreement. Step 3. Complete your seller profile. After joining as a designer, you'll need to set up your seller profile. Click on My Account and then My Designer Profile. Here you can add a profile photo, write a bio about yourself, and include links to your social media or personal website. Make sure to showcase your personality and creativity. Step 4. Set your royalty rate. Zazzle allows you to set your own royalty rates for products. Go to the Royalties section in your profile settings and choose the percentage you want to earn on each sale. Keep in mind that higher rates might deter some buyers, so find a balance that works for you. Step 5. Create and upload your designs. Now it's time to get creative. Click on Create at the top menu and choose the type of product you want to design. Upload your artwork or use Zazzle's design tools to create something unique. Ensure that your designs are high quality and adhere to Zazzle's guidelines. Step 6. Publish your products. Once your designs are ready, click Publish to add them to the marketplace. Take the time to write catchy titles and descriptions, including relevant tags to improve visibility in searches. The more appealing your listings, the better chance you have of making sales. Step 7. Promote your store. Don't wait for buyers to find you. Share your Zazzle store on social media platforms, blogs, or through email marketing. Engage with your audience, showcase new designs, and consider running promotions to boost your sales. Now you're all set to activate your Zazzle seller profile and start making money from your creativity. For more tips and tricks on maximizing your Zazzle success, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video. Happy selling!